I always felt that research and innovation are things which are must. If we would not have research, we would never do as much success in the treatment of cancer as has occurred.
Cancer care is ever evolving and is evolving at a very rapid pace. Cancer, as a general sense, is very heterogeneous. No one tumor is alike, from patient A to patient B. And you really have to consider the patient's anatomy, the anatomy of the tumor, the biology of the tumor, the characteristics of the patient's medical conditions in order to offer them individualized care for their surgeries. Innovation allows us to do that.
I'm the principal investigator of a National Cancer Institute Community Oncology Research Program. It's a grant from the National Cancer Institute that allows us to do cutting-edge clinical trial research here in Des Moines, Iowa. And with our NCI, National Cancer Institute grant, we're able to do the latest clinical trial research for patients. With the new cancer center that we're developing, we're going to enhance the research that's being done so that patients here in central Iowa can get the latest cutting-edge, newest possible treatments.
I do see that more resources will allow us to elevate that standard to even higher level, to aspire for more success, which we will in return deliver back to the Des Moines community.
Our research here at Mercy One Des Moines is internationally recognized. Dr. Franco is an international expert on something called HIPEC, which is hyperthermic intraperitoneal chemotherapy. His research, in collaboration with other centers, has formed the guidelines for how we treat patients who need HIPEC or cytoreductive surgery.
The most important papers were published across the 3 continents in 2016 and influenced how we stage and therefore what we recommend for treatment of some advanced cancer, especially colon and rectals, based on some part of our work.
We need to be on the cutting edge so that the patients we treat know what's available to them, and we can give them and offer them the tools that they need to win their battle against cancer.
Well, you have to learn more. If you don't learn more, you actually stagnate. And if you stagnate, 2 years from now, you know even less. So yes, there is more challenges out there. There's very clearly still a number of patients who do lose life or function because of the cancer, and that's not acceptable. That is not going to be acceptable ever, so we will continue.